guys, so today I'm going to unbox this. This is the AT&T Smart WiFi Extender. So I had a technician come out today. So if you guys have an AT&T with a wireless router and modem all in one, it is a good idea to put in one of this extender, because my kid was playing his games downstairs, and the technician tests out the Wi-Fi connection on his desk, and it was very, very slow. We just upgrade to the 75 megabit per second, and where he set at is about only 3 or 4 megabit per second. And after I put this, after the technician installed this one, it gave him about 60 megabit per second, which is pretty fast compared to 306. Okay, so let's go ahead and then this one support 2-port gigabyte Ethernet 11AC and 11N wireless router, access point 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz WPS. Let's go ahead and unbox this. As you can see, got the AT&T logo. Here's some information. This is the Air 49.99. You could also get this from Amazon for $55.49 free shipping, but I got this directly to AT&T. If you buy this from Amazon and it's not AT&T brand, then it will not have, if you call AT&T, they will not service you, okay? So you might want to double check with AT&T before you buy from Amazon. So this is the unit right here. It looks almost like the wireless router modem. That's all in one. So there's a WPS button right here, and there's a LED for your power, and then LED for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. And this is the AT&T brand. The one you're gonna get on the Amazon is called the Air Ties. So it is a similar product, except there's no AT&T logo. So there's like a ventilation on the top, on the side, and then on the back you got the 12 volt going in, and then there's a reset button right there. There's a power on and off switch right here, and you could connect this to the Cat5 Ethernet cable. It's a number 1 and number 2. And on this side is more ventilation holes. Take out this plastic. And it says come with the AT&T Smart WiFi Extender, power adapter, and then an Ethernet cable. Safety instruction, I don't think I got that. So here's your Cat5 Ethernet cable. And you got this adapter. So I'm pretty glad that I called them up. My upload speed is about 20 megabit per second, download speed 75. Previously, I have 45 megabit per second and then 5 megabit per second upload. And they give me the promotion with the same price that I'm paying with the 45. Originally, I was calling for the 100 megabit per second for $40. But unfortunately, they don't have that speed right now for this area, so I have to wait. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. I got this through DirecTV. I mean through AT&T for $49.99, and then there is no tax. So I will see if I and then they tag this to my bill, so I will receive the bill later on. I didn't have to pay it first with my credit card or anything like that. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.